Welcome to our detailed review of CoinFlip. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this platform. CoinFlip is known for making cryptocurrency accessible and easy to use. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or manage your crypto, CoinFlip simplifies the process with its intuitive platform. One of its standout features is its wide selection of supported cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, allowing users to trade the most popular coins with ease. The site has been designed for both beginners and more experienced traders. Its user interface is straightforward, and the registration process is quick and simple, making it ideal for newcomers to the crypto world. CoinFlip allows users to fund their accounts using a variety of payment methods. This includes credit cards, debit cards, and even bank transfers, providing a level of flexibility for different user needs. The platform also offers a range of security features to ensure that all transactions and data are kept safe. With 2FA authentication and a strong encryption system, users can rest assured their crypto assets are secure. But that's not all. CoinFlip also offers a built-in wallet for storing your cryptocurrencies. Whether you're looking to hold long-term or just manage your day-to-day crypto, the platform's wallet service is efficient and easy to use. You can easily transfer your funds in and out of the platform, making it simple to manage your crypto portfolio. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another notable feature of CoinFlip is its competitive exchange rates. The platform strives to offer some of the best rates for buying and selling crypto, helping users maximize their profits. While fees are generally low, users should still review the platform's fee structure before making large transactions to understand exactly what to expect. CoinFlip also provides a dedicated customer support team to help users with any issues they may encounter. Whether it's a question about your account or an issue with a transaction, their team is responsive and ready to assist. The support team is available via email and live chat, ensuring you get the help you need in a timely manner. For anyone looking to start their crypto journey, CoinFlip makes it easy. With a simple process for buying and selling crypto, combined with its secure features and low fees, CoinFlip is a great choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of digital currencies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and reviews.